Welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber and this is Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm sharing with you guys something a little different. It's not a wig review. This is a product review on something that I'm quite excited about because I think it is very useful and I don't know, it's different from something I've tried before, but super handy. This is a cordless hair straightener and curler. So it's 2-in-1 and it's small enough to take on your trips in the car, vacations, and you don't need to plug it in. So that was quite enticing to me and I'm here for it. So anyway, this is the Sunmay Voga. Sunmay is the brand. The small contraption is called Voga. The cordless hair straightener and curler 2-in-1. It comes in this small sturdy box and yeah, so I'm going to unbox this and try it out on this here wig that needs some styling, as you can tell. I actually tried this curling iron straightener on a few pieces, as you can see, and I'd like to do it on the rest of this here wig. The charging voltage for this is 5V. Let's see, it has 3 levels for their temperature, and it ranges from 160 degrees Celsius to 205 degrees Celsius. This is a hair straightener that was designed with a charging protection feature. It cannot be turned on while it's charging. You want to avoid direct contact with the heating sheet of the straightener. I mean, that's kind of just basic knowledge. You don't want to have direct contact with that heating element. And especially the eyes, ears, face, and neck. Those are very delicate areas. Please be sure to turn off the device after use. When storing this equipment, please ensure that the equipment has been cooled and placed out of reach of children. If minors need to use this product, please use it under the guidance of supervision and adults. These are just things that, you know, we all should know, but sometimes need to be reminded. Like I mentioned, this has 3 levels of adjustable temperature, LCD display, Type-C USB charging. So here's the charging area right there. You can see that. That's awesome. So probably right into your phone charger. Comes in this box. I already pulled it out. Nice packaged well. It actually comes with 3 finger protection guards. Like this. It comes with a little bag holder for the straightener. It's small, it's light, perfect for a purse or a bag. I think it's fantastic. And then it does come with a rat tail comb as well. So I'm going to pull it out of this bag and turn it on. What you see here is a lock button. If it's on lock, then you can't open the device. When you unlock it, then it springs open. Next to that is the power button. If you hold that down for 3 seconds, then it will turn on right here. Then once it's on, you can short press the power button to determine the level of heat that you want. I don't know if you guys can even see, but there is a temperature that you can see on this screen. I think it's too bright. Let me turn off the ring light. Maybe that will help. Oh, there you can see it. So doing that short press can change the temperature. When the battery light flashes, that means that the straightener needs to be charged. When the battery light stops flashing, that means it's fully charged. And when the battery is low, it may affect the heat, the temperature, and how you can use it. And just as a reminder, you can't turn on the straightener while it's being charged. So go ahead and charge it and then you can use your straightener. So you want to turn on the straightener and set it to the temperature you desire. And then you want to take a small section, comb through it so it's nice and smooth. Place the straightener as close to the roots as possible. Don't burn yourself. And then clamp down so that the hair is between the two heated clamps, and just run the straightener from root to ends. This is how you're going to straighten the hair. Run it over that section, you know, 2 to 3 times to make sure it's nice and smooth and straight. Now when you curl the hair, you want to rotate the iron as you flat iron. I don't even know if that makes sense, but you want to just rotate it as you go down, and that is going to give you a more curly effect. Okay, well that kind of looked weird. Sort of. Okay. As you can you see that? So you can rotate it forward or backward, and that will give you more of a bend to, you know, to the hair. Now it takes about 30 seconds to preheat the hair straightener to 160 degrees Celsius, and it takes about 60 to heat to 205 degrees Celsius. After each use, go ahead and charge your straightener so that every time you need to pull it out and use it, you get the best results. Here's a question. Can you charge this hair straightener using your car charger or battery pack? Yes, you can. It has a Type-C charge cable, so if you have that, then you can charge it. I will have all the links down below to Sunmay and to this specific tool. I did see some coupon codes on their website, so you'll have to check those out to see what they have available as far as coupon codes and discounts go. I'm gonna go ahead and try using this on the rest of this here wig and see if I can style it a little bit better. It's been in a box for, you know, quite a few months and needs some refreshing. And that's what's nice about this here contraption, is if you're on the run, you need to freshen up your style, you can do that easily with this here tool. I think it's awesome. I've never used a flat iron that's cordless and small like this, so I think it's awesome that this is available. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching me share this here styling tool with you guys. I think it's really awesome. I'm excited to be able to, you know, haul it in my bag, take it on road trips, possibly throw it in my carry-on, so that if I need quick touch-ups, I have something cordless and really easy to turn to when my hair starts looking straggly. Now, this is a heat tool, so you probably only want to use it for your heat-friendly fibers and your human hair, or obviously your biological hair, the hair on your head. But if you wear alternative hair like me, like wigs, toppers, hair pieces, don't use it on synthetic hair because you can melt the fiber. But you can use it on human hair. This is human hair, and you can use it on your HD or heat-friendly fibers. With those HD fibers, you do want to use a low temperature, but the nice thing with this here Sunmay cordless straightener is you can change the setting and see the temperature on the dial. So anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if this was helpful. I will have all the links down below to this hair straightener and Sunmay products. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.